Greetings traders, this is Coach Robert with another episode of TopstepX in 5 minutes or less. In this video, we will review how to link several components together. This is a very cool feature in TopstepX. We have an order panel, we have a DOM, we have time and sales, and we have a chart. Well, we want these all to display the same instrument. I currently have them set to different instruments. We have MES, MCL, MNQ, and NQ. At the top of the chart, we have this option to add a chart link, which puts it right here. I need to make them all the same linked color in order for them to sync up. So let's choose yellow. Now I have the NQ as a yellow link. I want my time and sales to be the same. So I'm going to click on time and sales, make it yellow, and notice it changes to NQ. The same with the DOM to NQ, and the same with the order panel to NQ. Now if I go over and I change this instrument, for example, let's change it to ES, select. The chart changes to ES, so does time and sales, and the DOM, and the order panel. This comes in handy when you are trading multiple instruments. For example, I have a single chart here. What if I wanted two charts? This one happens to have GC, gold, and it's linked to purple. Well, what if I wanted another time and sales? I will add component, choose my time and sales, link it right next to it with purple. Now, anytime I choose this tab, it will show me the time and sales for gold. This is the same for the DOM. We add a second DOM, choose purple, and it links. And the same for the order panel. Choose another order panel, and it links. Now, they do not need to be in the same panel like this, in the same area. So let's remove our time and sales component, and let's remove our DOM component. We can take our order panel, just click and drag, and mouse over these yellow arrows to find a location we like to see. We'll put it right next to it. So now we can see that we have the DOM, they have the chart gold in ES, and this is synced to purple, and this is synced to yellow. Since the chart on the left is yellow and this is purple, let's just go ahead and reorder these. Just like that. So now whenever I'm trading on gold, I will use the purple order panel. If I trade on ES, I will use the yellow order panel. This is true for the DOM, and it is true for time and sales. You can have multiple. If you had 4 charts open, you can have 4 different colors. Red and orange. M2K is orange. If I choose orange, this will be M2K. Just keep an eye that you understand which order you're trading, because if you're highlighted on one chart and you try to place an order, or if you're selected in one if you're looking at the ES chart, for example, but you happen to click here, it's going to place the order on the M2K. Be very cautious. Whenever you make changes like this, be sure to go up to here and save the layout, so this will open the way you like it for the next time. This concludes how to link components.